If you are a coffee drinker, this video is definitely for you. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you several coffee makers and how to operate them and all. Welcome back to my channel. This is Isa PI and you are watching On a Silver Budget. Today I'm going to show you a few coffee makers, how to operate them and the differences in between all of them, and give you a glance of my new coffee station for spring. Let's go for it. If you have seen my Valentine's coffee station, you will see a lot of, I'm sure you saw a lot of pink, a lot of hearts, a lot of red. It was just for Valentine's, and as I told you guys, the little heart was looking too childish for me. I end up removing them, but this is me. I feel like this station, it's more me than anything that I've done with this area. And I did not change my sign. Both my signs are the same, the cafe and patisserie, so coffee and pastry. And I've added an espresso coffee maker with a built-in frother, and I have the French coffee maker and the Cuban coffee maker there. I added a beautiful marble Lazy Susan there, just so I can remove the coffee makers and all if I need to, so they can be portable. I have some spoons there. Okay, the beautiful towel there, and two tasses, as we call them in French. In here I have tea. I always like to give that option. If you don't drink coffee or hot chocolate, you still got the tea. And I have my stirrer there with honey and a beautiful greenery. On my tier tray, I still got a cute little sign right here. I have my chocolate there, chocolate powder. I have the essential there, guys. I'm not gonna go through it because the main reason I'm doing this video is to show you how to operate those coffee makers. Look at this beautiful cup there. There's nothing better than a white cup and gold. I love it. So let's get back to our subject. Enough distraction. Since the Cuban coffee maker is the smallest right here, I'm going to show you how to operate this coffee maker. Okay, so what you have to do is to untwist the first part, and then you have a strainer here. Is it focus enough for you guys? I feel like it's not. Okay, what you're gonna do is to remove the strainer, fill up the bottom of the coffee pot with water, add the strainer back, and add your coffee powder here. Once you have that, you're coming back with the top. you just have to screw it back in. Okay, let me go a little bit further, maybe it'll be clearer. Okay, so there you go. And you put it over the stove. Remember, this is not an electrical one, so you have to put it over the stove. Or you can always put hot water in there. I prefer to boil my water right there because the steam get all the coffee juice out of the powder. And it's right here. Look at this. You can add your creamer right there. You add your milk right there, and once it's ready, you're gonna have everything mixed together. You have that little area here, that's where the coffee is coming out. Let me show you this. There's a strainer here as well, just in case you're thinking about the powder from here. So once you do that, the water comes from the bottom, cross the powder, go to the milk when you to the creamer, and then you pour, so you get an even amount of coffee and milk. This is for the espresso, Cuban coffee, however you want to call it. Okay, the second one we're gonna be using is the French coffee maker. I think this is the easiest one. This one, you just have to take everything out, put your coffee powder at the bottom of it, and this is how it comes, guys. And you just push it down. It depends on how strong you want your coffee, so you can put 2 spoons or as much as you want, and then you add the hot water in there, cover it up, and push it down. So you just pushing and squeezing it, squeeze and turn this, so you kind of pressing the coffee powder with the hot water, and that's all it is about. And once you're done, you just serve. Hold on. Okay, you just serve your coffee, and that's all it is about with the French coffee maker. And now for the espresso, cappuccino, latte coffee maker. There it is. Let me give you a tour of it very quick. It's very easy. You just have to add the water right there, cover it up, and turn it on. Once you turn it on, your water start boiling. Then you can make the choice if you want, what kind of coffee do you want. And as I told you, this coffee maker has a built-in further to it, which is right here. The only reason why I'm not crazy about this coffee maker, it's because of the height. Because I cannot use a larger cup in here. Then again, that's a good idea. Okay, how do we use this one? You see that handle there? That's where your coffee is gonna be, right? You have the drip tray right here. And then this is your further. I can tell you, I've seen other ones with it on the outside. I think that's a better idea because you can get more milk warmed up and you can pour more milk. But with this size, this is what you're gonna do. This is the handle, and this is what you're gonna put the coffee in. Okay, you see this little nut there? That's what's gonna keep this from falling off. So you're gonna insert it on your handle and you turn it so it's locked. You add your coffee there and you're just gonna go under it and find the pattern and twist. If you feel any resistance in there, that's mean it's not added properly. Take your time to do it, otherwise you will damage your coffee maker. Okay, there you go. I'm adding the handle and it's tight enough, so all I have to do is to add my coffee mug there, and if I need to do anything else, if I need to use the further, I just add this to it and it can go a little bit lower. Okay. I apologize guys, but there it is. Okay, so you will have your coffee here and your milk warming up and being beautiful right there. That's how I call it. As far as the function, it's really easy. You just turn on your coffee maker, and this is for your regular coffee. This is when you're having like cappuccino, latte and all that, and this is for the further. Okay, that's all you have to do guys, and you can enjoy your coffee. And for the friends that don't drink coffee, I got you guys. I got the tea there, and I even have the little strainer for the leaves. And if you want to make your own tea like me, I will have fresh leaves and boil them. So you just put them in there and close it, and you just add it to the boiled water, sorry. And all you have to do is to wait for a few minutes, take it off, and your tea is ready. So I got it all right here, and there it is guys. I hope you like it. Oh, and I'm gonna add a cute little candle there from Target right there. Beautiful. And that's it for my coffee station. I hope you like it guys. I hope I inspired you to do something different at your place. Try different coffee makers and enjoy. If you like coffee, why not exploring? There it is again. Remember guys to give me a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching on a silver budget. Until next time, kiss. Bye y'all.